Hey, are you looking for the best smartwatch under $50 from AliExpress? I have fixed the top 5 best AliExpress smartwatches of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the watches are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's enjoy this video. In at number 5, the smartwatch is Lemfo NRF 5283 Smartwatch. This is a multifunction sports smartwatch. This is simply an all-around great smartwatch. That is really grateful because you can get all the necessary combinations at this affordable price. Recently, this smartwatch price is $13.15. It has 1.3-inch color screen, which can let you clearly see the screen in any area. Whether you are under bright sunshine or in a dark room, its waterproof and sweat-proof design enables you to do any sports including swimming without taking it off. Do not press the button underwater, do not flushing hot water. This watch will alert if you reach maximum and minimum heart rate when you exercise. It not only can play an optimal exercise performance but also can ensure safety. Help you explore your own exercise pace while optimal guarantee exercise performance. 10 kinds of sports you can choose: running, walking, cycling, mountain climbing, swimming, basketball, football, dance, aerobics, skating, etc. It can recognize sports types of running and ball games automatically. Record real-time heart rate, exercise duration, distance automatically. This watch supports incoming call reminders and message notifications. While Bluetooth connecting, if there is an incoming call, it would show the caller ID. Almost notification of apps could be synchronized to the watch. This watch built-in 180 to 220 mAh powerful battery. About 60 minutes charging time, 7 days working hours. 15 days standby mode. In at number 4, the best smartwatch is Nennbo S9 Smartwatch. Now, this smartwatch price is $26.76. The beauty is all in view. Using a 1.54-inch full-touch display, high contrast, and wide gamut bring a pleasant experience of high-definition image. Skin-friendly and comfortable material. This watch built in a 450 mAh powerful battery. About 2 to 3 hours charging time, 3 to 5 days working hours, about 20 days standby time. It has also an IP67 waterproof system. When the smartwatch is connected with your phone, the call, Facebook, SMS, and WeChat will remind you through the bright screen vibration, and you can view the specific content by sliding the screen. If you don't want to answer, you can also press and refuse. Tracks real-time heart rate and blood pressure automatically and continuously. Also, you could get the complete report in the app. Automatically tracks your sleep quality, helping you analysis of sleep quality data and improve your habits. This is a powerful smartwatch fitness tracker. It can accurately track your daily steps, distance traveled, calories burned and activity time all day automatically. Press and hold at the More interface for more functions, including music control panel, history message, firmware version, brightness, search, stopwatch, turn off. The smartwatch requires Bluetooth 4.0, iOS 9.0 or above, and Android 4.4 and above smartphone. It cannot work with tablets, computers, and Windows systems. In at number 3, the best smartwatch price is KOSPET NRF 52840 Rock Rugged Watch. Already this smartwatch price is $31.99. KOSPET Rock Smartwatch was envisioned as a rugged smartwatch that built to withstand and work in tough environments. Being waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. 40-degree low temperature operation, 55-degree high temperature, storage 360 degrees integrated dustproof design. The 1.69-inch large display offers a remarkable immersion and better touch experience. The high resolution reveals a vivid image. It gives you a great visual experience when exploring outdoors. It is equipped with a 350 mAh super large battery. This Android smartwatch can endure up to 50 days at outdoors. Charging is nothing to worry about when exploring the wild. 50 days standby time, 14 days daily usage time, 20 hours continuous exercise. Rock adopts the tough sports style. The clear-cut edges make it durable and resistant to water and dust. Fully enclosed shell design. You can submerge it in deep water up to 30 meters. Please do not wear it while taking a bath, shower, and sand, etc. Track your fitness progress all day, know your health status anytime. When engaged in outdoor activities at rapidly changing altitudes. Monitoring blood oxygen saturation allows you to understand your physical condition in real time, and adjust the current suitable intensity to cope with the changing environment. In at second place, the best smartwatch is Sanlepus MTK252D ECG Smartwatch. Recently this smartwatch price is $42.99. It has a 24-hour heart rate monitoring feature, which helps you to keep you healthy all day. It has an intelligent heart rate algorithm, whether you are resting or exercising. It can actually monitor heart rate through scientific big data. You can view the daily heart rate graph to protect your health. It also has ECG monitoring. If you feel chest pain, tightness, panic, suffocation, dizziness, then you can check the heart rate, using PPG and ECG technology. Only 1-minute ECG examination is one of the commonly used examination methods and is widely used. You should monitor data only for reference only, don't use it for medical use. You can also monitor your different sleep stages like deep sleep, light sleep, etc. You can scientifically evaluate sleep quality and improve your sleep. You can exercise with the watch, can easily play music. You can remotely take photos with one click to keep every wonderful moment. It supports multiple sports whether you enjoy it in the gym or outdoors. If you like sports, it is a great device for you. It analyzes professional sports data which lets you exercise more scientifically. Recovery time refers to the time required for the body to recover fully after the exercise is completed. Recovery time reflects the state of physical fatigue during exercise. You can check your exercise time and distance of time between your exercise. You can also check the calories burned during exercise. Its scientific sports data provides exercise step amplitude, movement speed, and the changes in heart rate during exercise. 6 heart rate zones let you know your heart rate, comprehensive sports data and exercise status. Its data helps you to judge your training effect and provide a reference for. In at number 1, the smartwatch is Lemfo Lemd 2020 Sports Smartwatch. Now, its price is $55.99. It contains a pair of true wireless stereo earbuds inside the watch case. It gives precise real-time feedback on physical conditions of health rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and sleep. It has professional sensors to track your different workout data like running, walking, cycling, hiking, yoga, basketball, and elliptical. It has 0.9mm moving coil unit and professional tri-band tuning that works together for rich and crisp stereo sound. It offers protection from temporary submersion from water and splashes. It has rust-proof 316L stainless construction and scratch-proof tempered glass. It has a 1.3-inch thin film transistor screen which enables clear visibility when you are indoors or outdoors. It is a smartwatch with Bluetooth 5.0 headset, 360 by 360 high-definition screen, 350 mAh battery life, and many more. You can light up the screen by raising up your hand. It will work like a camera. It will give you a call and SMS reminder. You can do social sharing with Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Skype, WeChat, etc. You can get sedentary reminders and monitor sleeping too. You can also check the pedometer, calories, etc. It is compatible with both Android and iOS. It supports Android 4.4 and higher, iOS 8.2 and higher. Its waterproofing rate is IP67. Don't forget to subscribe. And I request you please share this video.